Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here again. I couldn't do the hat today, guys. I just couldn't do it. I've got a sparkly scrunchie instead, so that's gonna be festive enough for me. But as you see, I'm starting to deck my halls a little bit. I've got my Christmas crochet tree, so everything on it is crochet, so that's exciting. Okay, so day 14, and this garland I think is so cute. Now they have it done in pastel colors, but you could do it in any colors that you wanted and it would be just as cute. I love this. So this is something that's on Pattern Center. Let me just check my notes. Yeah, patterncenter.com, which is one of those channels where it like shows you tons of ideas from all kinds of different designers. But it's just this cute little Christmas balls. Never sure how to say it. Anyway, they're all just strung together. It looks like just maybe 2 rows of a flat circle and then maybe some double crochets and then a chain and then a couple more double crochets to make like the little holder part, and then they string them together. So really simple. I would think you'd be able to whip something like this off really fast, you know, easily in an afternoon, easily. Because I don't think that each of these pieces probably takes more than 5 or 10 minutes. So this is a good one, especially if you're in a hurry, and it's so cute. It really is cute. So check it out, day 14. Okay, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.